Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see 5 recruitment updates from different companies that is currently going on, and these are the latest updates. So if you have not checked the videos that we have recently uploaded on our channel, please go ahead and check that, because there is currently hiring going on from different companies. So if you have not applied for those companies, please go ahead and apply for it. And we regularly post interview experience related videos on our channel and placement preparation related videos on our channel. So if you have not checked those videos too, please go ahead and check those and like the videos and share it amongst your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Let's start with our today's recruitments. So the first recruitment is from Cisco. So Cisco is currently hiring, and you can see the role is technical consulting engineer, that is for the intern. And let's see some of the details now. So you can go ahead and read about the job description. Let's see the qualifications required. So recent graduate or on final year of studies towards a bachelor's degree in technical fields such as networking, computer science, information technology, electrical or computer engineering, or a similar field. So even if you are from any circuital branch, that is electrical, EC, you can apply for it. The requirement is for 2023 pass out only, as this position is for internship. Fluent in English, that is verbal and written. Passionate about networking, information technology or computer science. Knowledge of adjacent technologies, holding Cisco certifications is a plus. So it is not mandatory that you need to have these certifications and knowledge of these technologies, but if you have, that is a plus. Strong analytical skills and problem solving skills. Ability to multitask, self-start and work in a fast-paced environment. Ability to work to customer sites. So you might need to travel to different location as they will tell you. So let's move ahead with our next recruitment, which is from Google. So Google is currently hiring for cloud engineer, data security from the Google Cloud team. Now the location for this position is Bangalore, Gurgaon. Minimum qualifications required are bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or equivalent practical experience, 5 years of experience in security architecture, developing or maintaining secure cloud solutions, experience in programming languages such as Python, Go, Java, C++ or any similar language, experience in creating data security design for secure data storage, access and processing using encryption, role management, architectural best practices. Preferred qualifications are experience in implementing with enterprise security solution, knowledge in compliance regulations, GCP or any of the cloud security certifications, ability to travel 30% of the time, excellent written and verbal communication skills. So these skills are preferred one and are not mandatory. If you will have this qualification, it will be a plus for you. So application process is very similar. You just have to click on apply and you just have to fill your basic information. If you get shortlisted, then you will get the details on your mail. And if you have any doubt while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Moving ahead to the next job, which is from KPMG. So KPMG is currently hiring for the role of analyst. You can go ahead and read the job description here. Let's discuss about the qualifications. The mandatory skills that are required are minimum or bachelor's degree from a reputable university or 0 to 1 years of experience. So if you are fresher, you are eligible for it and you can apply for it. Attention to detail, excellent communication skills, highly motivated to deliver results, demonstration of excellent analytical skills and problem solving skills, demonstrate good team working skills and ability to adapt change. So you can see that there are not much advanced skills that are required from you, basic skills. If you are a fresher and you have completed your bachelor's degree, you can apply for it. Preferred skills are integrity, driving results, accountability and resilience. So the locations can be Bangalore, and you need, in order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply online and you have to fill your basic details, and then you have to submit your profile. Moving ahead with our next recruitment for today, which is from Cognizant. So Cognizant is currently hiring for infra off campus, that is for the role of graduate trainee or engineer trainee. Minimum 3 years or maximum 12 months of experience. So if you are fresher, you can apply for it. So let's see some of the details about this position. The CTC that the company is offering is 2,52,000 per annum. Salary breakup you can go ahead and read from here. Job description is mentioned in detail over here, that what will be your job description. Please go ahead and give it a read. Let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. For graduate trainee, experience required is minimum 3 years, 3 months to maximum 12 months. And the experience should be in these fields. If it is in these fields, you can apply for it. That is voice, technical or IT support, service desk, desktop support, IT help desk. Year of passing graduation should be 2019 or above. 3 years of graduation program. Maximum of 3 years of gap in education and not beyond. 50% in 10th, 12th, UG, PG, and no standing arrears. Means you should not have any backlogs. Engineering training, the roles eligibility for engineering training is experience required, again the same experience, which is from 3 months to 12 months. Year of practicing the graduation should be 2019 or above. BE, ME, MTech, BTech, MC, MS, MSc on any domain, full time. Maximum of 3 years of gap in education and not beyond. 50% in 10, 12, diploma or UG. So you can apply for it by just simply click on apply now button, and in order to read more detail you can download this PDF that is present in the attached document section. If you have any details, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Moving ahead with our last job recruitment for the today, which is from Bosch. So Bosch is currently hiring for Linux C++ developer under household technology. The location will be Bangalore. You can see the job description from here, which will be basically required you to perform the roles of a C++ developer on Linux. Qualifications that are required are BE or BTech. Experience level is for 8+ years. Additional information you can go ahead and read from it. So in order to apply for it, you just need to click on I am interested and submit your profile details, and you can simply apply for it. If you get selected, you will get a further rounds email on your mail ID. If you have any doubts while applying for any of the opportunity, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.